Hola amigos, nosotros vamos al restaurante Florios. Wow, that's a bit of Spanish there. Feeling pretty proud of myself. Doing Spanish courses here, so it's improving little by little. So tonight we're heading down to Florios restaurant. It's an Argentinian restaurant. They have a bunch of good meats on the menu. We have a wood-fired oven, so I might have a pizza, and my esposa is probably gonna have a steak because she's in the mood for some good steak. And we'll see how it goes tonight for the review. And hope you can join us for this beautiful evening here. The street we're on right now is called Vienna. Tons of cafes, little restaurants. They're building new condos because on the side is an up-and-coming colony neighborhood. Tons of things to do. Little mom and pop restaurant right here. Oh, they're building something new next door, across the street. A lot of people in here. Hello. I think someone just waved in there. Word of caution here in Puerto Vallarta. Stop signs are named alto, which means stop in Spanish. People don't stop. I actually saw an accident the other day, and luckily no one really got hurt, but they're both at fault because no one stopped. So yeah, watch out with stop signs here in Puerto Vallarta. I'm not sure about all of Mexico, but here in Puerto Vallarta. Look at all the plants here. Jesus. You're a good little doggy. You're a good little doggy. Jesus! Oh, there's a place for them. ¿Cómo estás? Dos?
Dos personas.
Outside? Afuera?
¿Tenían reservación por caso? ¿No? A ver.
Sí, sí. I don't know, we have to make reservations. Pardon? Oh. Let's hope we can sit outside.
Just come back.
Oh, look at the grills there. Shit. This is when he starts to grill. Smells so good too, right? So for starters, I ordered sangria, which I'll take a sip right now. Wow. Very good. Muy bien. Finally, we ordered a ribeye steak. It goes by grams here. We ordered like a 580 grams ribeye steak.
Yeah.
And also I ordered the burrata pizza. It's made in the wood oven, which I will take a video after. And we'll see when the food comes out how delicious it looks. Cheers. Salud.
Salud.
Well, I just want to take a video of the oven. Wow. Thank you so much, eh? Hola. Perfect. Beautiful. I'm gonna take a video of the grill right now. It's really busy, but smells good.
Yes.
I love charcoal. Mi gusto, ¿cómo se dice charcoal? ¿De fuego?
Sí, eso es leña.
Carbón, ok,
Sí, leña.
ok, leña, ok.
Es mejor.
There's carbón and there's
Sí,
leña.
es mix.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Muy bien, gracias. Perfecto. Fantastico. Muy bien. The chef at work. Hold on, I'm going slow. I'm going slow. So here's the burrata pizza. Smells so good. Wow. And the chef gave us a couple of sausages on the house. Again, seems like he's really loving mastering the grill there. Amigos, what a surprise. This restaurant is absolutely delicious. I'm gonna go for a high rating here, 4.5 out of 5. Delicious steak, melt in your mouth. The chef was super nice. He gave us sausages on the house, got bread at the beginning as well, and it came with a chimichurri sauce and a spicy sauce. But all the restaurants we've been in Puerto Vallarta, this is top being one of the best ones we went to. On a nice, quiet street, great evening. Bottle of wine was good. I had 2 IPA beers and very, very happy. And definitely will come back. And I'm gonna definitely give this, like I said, a 4.5 out of 5. And I highly recommend this. Muchas gracias for watching. And if you don't mind, if you can like this video, subscribe if you want, but liking is very important if you want to comment as well, if you've been to this restaurant as well. Thanks, guys.